Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing good. And so this week I just wanted to do some Hot Wheels, which is lying around in my house. So I thought, okay, let's start with the premiums. So I hope you guys saw my shots. I don't know if I posted that before this video, but if you saw that, this is practically the same one. But I just wanted to talk a little bit detail about it in this video. So this is the Chevy Chevelle SS, and this is from the Fast and the Furious series. Uh, if you guys remember, we unboxed this Chevy Custom back then. I don't know, maybe at least a month back. So I did see this one, but I left it. I didn't like it. So these two, obviously, we are not able to. I mean, I am not able to get it. So again, in this set I do, except maybe for the Honda, I did like everything, but unfortunately I'm not able to get everything. So I'm really happy that I got the Chevy and this Chevy Custom as well. So this one we will be unboxing. This one I got it later on, not on the same day or with the same from the same shop. I don't even remember now from where I bought this. So this was only one hanging in the peg. So I thought the moment I saw the name Chevelle SS, I just took it. So the next one is, yeah, this one. So this is a 94 Nismo 270R. So this one I actually bought it nearly 2 months back. I forgot that I had this. So today I was going through. Oh my god, I'm really sorry about the noise, guys. Oh my god, this happens every time when I'm trying to do a video. Okay. So this one I bought more than 2 months back, but again, today I was just browsing through the new box which I put with all these new bought castings. I saw this premium, so I thought, okay, let's do it. So again, I bought all this for MRP, which is 549. And so in this one, I did see these two, but I didn't pick that up. I didn't like it. And the Testarossa, I didn't even see it. But I do have this Testarossa, from Tomica. I did unbox this some time back. That is a beautiful piece. So I personally love Tomica's company. I really didn't even feel a little bit when I missed out that Hot Wheels one, because I do have a Tomica version and that has openable. I think that has pop-up headlights if I'm not wrong. So I need to rewatch my own video. So I don't know what is this car. I totally forgot about this. The one which is hiding behind this. Okay, let it be. So this is from the Modern Classic set. And the last but not least, the long overdue one, which is this. So this is Oracle Red Bull Racing number 1. So I do have 4 of this, not this exact one, 4 from this series. I bought this long back actually. I totally forgot about it. The rest 3 I'm actually planning to sell. So this one I'm going to keep for myself because it's number 1. I really wanted this at the time. So I'm just going to keep this one, planning to sell the rest 3. I don't know if those 3 are, yeah, I think 2 are Alpine and yeah, the rest 2 are Alpine, 1 is MoneyGram. So this is the only one which I have in Red Bull. So I was a F1 fan back then when I was a kid, and that time Michael Schumacher was ruling the F1 grounds. So I used to sit and watch for hours back then. So nowadays I'm not really into F1 that much. So but this just reminded me of that good old days. So the only casting which I really want to get is, I think they are releasing one Ferrari which Schumacher drove back in the days. I don't remember which version it is, but it is again a red color. But they showcase. I saw it in one of the videos, but I forgot the exact name of what it is. Because when I am a kid, I didn't remember about. I didn't even know that's a Ferrari which he was driving. I know only Schumacher. I just look his name on the corner of the TV. Whether it's moving up or down, and the moment they start showing him on the TV, I just start looking at him. How is he driving and all. So I never actually cared about what he drove at the time. So I recently, after someone posted that video, that case unboxing video in YouTube, I came to know that he actually drove a Ferrari. So that is a surprise to me, to be very honest. I never knew at that time. So with that said, we will be unboxing these 3 this week. So I'm planning to add one more as a surprise, but let's see if time permits. I will add that. If not, then I will move it to maybe in coming weeks. I did buy one more really cool casting. So by Mini GT. So I really want to unbox that as well. So let's see. So with that said, this is to the giveaway to the guy who won the giveaway. I'm really sorry about the delay, bro. It is really raining heavily here in Chennai a lot in the past 2 weeks, and I was caught up in a lot of personal things as well. So I'm lagging behind in a lot of things. So I'm really apologizing to you. So by the time the video releases, your shipment will be done. Before that, your shipment will be done. So don't mistake me on this. At least this one time. So from next time, I will take care of it. So yeah. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Have a great day. Goodbye.